crafty friends, it's Sylvia. I hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. Today we're going to do a quick mini haul. So this I got on Amazon for, I wrote it down, I think it was $15.99. Of course I wrote it down, but who knows what my little note is, because that's what I do, guys. I lose everything. Well, anyway, I think it was $15.99, and the reason I got this is because I have a lot of smaller, or even the big ones from Diamond Art Club. I'm sure you could put them in here to store them on my closet. So let's see. Actually, not my closet, on my wall, behind my wall, behind the door. Oh my gosh, I tell you guys, I am sorry. Okay, so I already opened it. And so this is, it says parts and accessories, and it's basically, it's a $5 to use to redeem on Amazon, which is pretty cool. Never had that done before. Okay, that's awesome. And this comes with the two-door, this is what I'm going to be using, the two-door hooks. If I can get them out of here. Move this over here so you can see it better. There's the two-door hooks. And these are two adhesive, I guess, for the wall. And of course this is the, oh, and this is the one, this is a strap. And this is for the hanging strap. This is the one for the closet. So you have for the closet, for the door, or for the wall. So 3 ways, okay? And of course this is a storage. And I believe this has 48 compartments. So 24 on one side and 24 on the other side, which is pretty cool. So this is where you put the hooks to hang it up on the door or wherever you want to hang it. I'm not going to open the whole thing, but it's pretty long. I don't know if you can see that. It's pretty long. All right, so I have one diamond painting here that we can try to put in here. Let's see. Perfect. You see that, guys? Perfecto. Perfect. Okay, love this. I think I'm really going to like this. And it's actually not a bad price, I think it was $15.99. Okay, so let's move this aside. In my mess, I have a major mess in my office. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this I got from Muni Made on Etsy. It's been here for a while. It's just I haven't had the time to. Been busy. Okay, I already cut this out. It says YouTube, check out the Muni Made podcast. Oh, crafty tutorials, unboxings, and more by Muni Corny. Love it. Pretty paper too. Okay, I already took out my address. A note from the shop. Thank you so much for shopping small and supporting Muni Made. Use the coupon code for 10% on your next purchase. I will definitely do that. You know, I always say that and then I put it away and then I forget where I put the, so I gotta make sure that I don't lose that. Okay, and she always sends a little thank you. Sylvia, thank you so much for ordering from my small business. It is my wish that your order can bring you even just the slightest bit of joy and happiness today. Enjoy your new goodies. Thanks for purchasing Muni Minders. Oh my gosh, these are new, guys. Isn't that pretty? Love all the colors that she uses. And what is this? Colored growing, expand 600% of size. Oh, do not swallow. Okay, do you remember these when we were kids? They were like these sea monkeys. Anyway, I'll have to try that. That's fun. And a Muni Made card. Okay. So on Instagram, Facebook, okay, and so on. Munimade.com. I got this on Etsy. All right. Pretty little box. Let's put that aside. Oh my gosh. As soon as I saw these, I said, I need those. Well, I don't need it, but you know, I wanted them. Oh my God, they're big. Oh my gosh, guys. These are lovely. I love them. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. And these, of course, are Coverminders. It's going to go on my, look at this. This is gorgeous. Let me see if I can move this light a little closer so you can see it. I don't know if you can. But look at that. Oh my gosh. Love the colors. It's pretty thick and pretty big. Okay, so I picked 3. I think I don't know, I'm not sure how many she has, but I'm gonna go back and get the others. Oh my God, look at this one, guys. Absolutely gorgeous. The sparkle and the flower in the middle. all that sparkle in the colors. Okay, and this is the other one I got. Oh my god, it's a, look at the sparkle, and it's a little kitty cat and some hearts around it. Is that not the cutest? So let's put this one in the middle, and they're gorgeous. I love them. Okay, oops, let's put these over here. Love her little bags. Okay, what else? Oh, wait a minute. Okay, so let's put, we're gonna need space here. And this is, of course, from my friend Teemaw from DP with Sparklers. You are the heart of my business. Thanks for your support. Okay, and I got these also a while. I'm trying to collect these. These, I believe, are all ABs. So we're gonna need, well, let me take these out first. There's a card here. I already removed my information. Let's get the little bowl for my mom. Some Lifesaver, which orange, which is delicious. She always gives you a beautiful sparkly diamond sticker. This is her card, Diamond Painting with Sparklers. Oops, a daisy. www.dpwithsparklers.com. And there goes her name, Teemaw. Okay, she is the owner. Okay, then it says, howdy, lady. And then, of course, I think I ordered 10. See, AB drills. Okay, so I'm going to put it here because we're going to need the colors. I don't know how she manages all the time to squeeze them in here, because I try to put them back in there. Not going to happen. Doesn't work. Okay. It looks like these are all in the 300s. All right, so let's start with this one. This is a 3716. It's a very, very pretty pink. And like I mentioned before, these are all AB. Okay, very sparkly. This one is a 3746. AB also. Actually, this 3716, let me look in here with the name. Oh, this is Dusty Rose. Okay, and this one's 3746. And this one is Blue Violet Dark. This one is 3755 AB, and 3755 is Baby Blue. It's Baby Blue. Okay. This one's 3727, and this one is 20 Antique Mauve. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Okay, that goes there. And this one's, ooh, I love this one. This one's 3756. 3756 is, wait a minute, 30. Okay, so this was Baby Blue. Okay, this is considered Baby Blue Ultra, very light. Okay. That's interesting. See, it's just like lighter, a way, way lighter blue. And then this one's 3731. And this one is called Dusty Rose Very Dark. So let's put that one there. Actually 3731, that goes there. Move these over here. This one's 3708, and 3708 is Melon Light. So that goes over here. This one's 3766. I love this one, guys. This one is Peacock Blue Light. Is that pretty? So that goes there. This one's 3750. And 3750 is Antique Blue Very Dark. That's very pretty. I love this one. And that goes over here. Looks like we have all these are blues and these are pinks. And then this is the last one, 3722, and 3722 is Shell Pink Medium. Okay, and that goes over here. So we've got pinks and we got blues. Beautiful. All right, so let's put that aside and let's get my box. And since they're already in order, it'll be easier to put them in my box. Move these over here. And you guys know my beautiful box. This is where I keep all my AB drills. And it's gonna be in the 300s. So Like I mentioned before, just in case, this is from 1 to 300s. This is the 400s to 600s. These are the 700s, and of course it keeps falling. Okay, and then over here it starts to 3000s. So this is 3708. So obviously I don't have a, oh, actually that's not true. I was looking at 30. Okay, these are 3600s, so 3708 is Melon Light, and that goes here with the card. And this helps when you are looking for your ABs, guys. It's so much easier. Okay, this is 3716 Dusty Rose, very light. This is 3722, which is Shell Pink Medium. I might have to move some of these over here because this is getting a little tight. 3727 is Antique Mauve Light. That goes in there. Yep, too tight. This is Dusty Rose, very dark. Right there. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Let's move these over here, guys, for now. This is too tight. So these go back here. Move these to the front. Okay. Yeah, much better. Much better. Okay, now they fit better. Okay, this is 3746. So 3746 is Blue Violet Dark. 3750. 3750 right there. Antique Blue, very dark. 3755. 3755 is Baby Blue. And two more, guys. 3756 is Baby Blue, but light. Love that color a lot. And I absolutely love this one. 3766. Who are you kidding, Sylvia? I love them all. I love all these colors. And I'm sure you guys do too. Peacock Blue Light. And that's it for now. See, it's already beginning to, I think it's good. I might have to move more over here. Let's see. Move this 3780. These are 3300s. I guess we can move the 3300s over there. That's 33, and then over here it'll start at 3600s. I already have another box because, as you can see, is expanding. This is for all the round, and then I have another one was going to be for the square, but I haven't started the square until I finish with the round. Okay, so that's about it, guys. So let's bring back the beautiful magnets. Maybe if I put them up here, you can see them better. I don't know. Can you see them better? I just love them, guys. And of course, what else? That's about it, right? The storage thing is just too big. Yeah, that was too big. All right. So have a wonderful, wonderful rest of the day. Bye-bye.